Welcome, this is denome. In this video we're going to take a look at crypto.com exchange and the syndicate events and how you can maximize your profits with the crypto.com ecosystem on the CRO token. And now the next syndicate is going to be PAX G or PAX Gold, and you can get it at the 50% discount. And these syndicate events, you can see here, they are now happening every single week. So every week you have a new listing event, so you can get coins at a 50% discount. And there's our allocation here, $500,000 USD allocation. And I have already explained everything here on this, where was it here? This how I got $1,000 in 2 months on crypto.com video. So watch that if something is unclear in this video, because I just want to cover the updated information on this video. So previously, these events, as you can see here, they happened every 2 weeks. But since they are now happening every week, you can actually get more profit from these syndicate events than before. So they are a little bit more profitable than before as well. And you can approximately get about 1.5% return on your capital that you allocate on these every single week. So if you stack those every single week, then it's actually quite profitable. And even though they just made the MCO to CRO swap, these things are still profitable, and people were asking about this. That's why I'm making this video. So PAX G, what changed in the system? If I would go here, you can see here, this is actually the only CRO I currently own, because I lowered my exposure to CRO a little bit. So I only have 20,000 CRO here. So I would simply go to the syndicate details. Oh, by the way, what you first have to do is you have to stake CRO here. So you can stake, minimum is 5,000 CRO, but you can stake anything above that. I have 110,000 CRO staked here. And when you have a stake, you can see here that you can actually get 20% annual return on your capital, which is paid out every single day. And with the earning history, they are actually paying this every single day. So I get about 60 CRO added on my exchange balance every single week. And when I have an active stake, I can participate in these syndicate events. And they come here under the syndicate details list. And as you can see here, I could actually participate with up to 30,000 CRO in this event. So I would simply click to contribute. Because I have the active stake, I can participate with 30,000 CRO currently, which is about 5,000 USD. And I would simply allocate all of my CRO that I have and accept the terms and accept this. But they just updated this not too long ago, that you have to trade on the exchange also. So from the previous 30 days, you have to trade with at least 5,000 USD worth of capital. And I already did this trade. But if we take a look at these PAX G listing event details here, so you can go to this FAQ section here. And if we go over here, you can see that the rule here is actually that you have to have traded at least 5,000 USD on the exchange, and the trading volume is calculated every single day at 0 UTC time. So if you do the trades now and you participate, you still cannot participate because the next calculation is coming in the 12th. So here they actually say this already. So on 12th, so if you trade up to 5,000 USD now, today, you can participate still tomorrow. So you have about 4 hours time until the event closes tomorrow morning. So if you want to get in the event and you haven't fulfilled the 5,000 USD, you can still do it. And when the timer on the event is about 4 hours, then you can participate in the event after that. So that's what I'm gonna do also. So if you want to do this, I will actually just show you what is the easiest way to fulfill the 5,000 USD volume requirement here. So I'm here on the exchange. So I would simply click trade here, and either BTC or USDT, those are the best ones because they have the highest volume. So you would simply open this, and after it's loaded, you simply sell some of your CRO on the platform to fulfill the 5,000 USD trading volume, and then you don't have to do this again for 30 days. So let's just do that. So that's about 16,000 CRO I already calculated before. So I get 2,500 USD volume fulfilled with this order. This could be like 5 15,500 also, but because the price of USDT fluctuates a little bit, I want to be on the safe side, so I put 16,000 CRO here. But if you have less than that amount of money, you can simply do this a few times and then you're done. So you could do it like 8,000 CRO and sell it back to, or buy back the CRO with the USDT to fulfill the thing. But because we are now fulfilling 2,500 and more here, we can simply select this one. It's a limit order, and that's about 16,000 CRO. And do I have to? Yeah. So now you can see the sell button. So sell, and it went in successfully. So it should. Did it already fill it? Filled? Yeah, it already filled it. Okay. So now I have the USDT here. So now what I can do is I can buy the CRO again. So I can simply buy everything back. And is this price okay? Yes, I think it will get filled. So now, okay, I have to take these ones out. Order successfully. So now the limit order is here and my trade is added on this one. So if people want to sell their CRO to me, then this one will get filled. So it will take a little bit time if you do the limit orders. It's a little bit cheaper doing this way than doing the market orders. So, but there's some risk. Maybe the price doesn't retrace, so I don't get fulfilled. But usually it gets fulfilled here. But if you just want to be on the safe side, you simply use a market order. So that way your order will always get fulfilled. And after you have done this for up to the $5,000 limit, then you can participate in the syndicates here under the syndicate details tomorrow morning when this timer is left more than less than 4 hours. So then you are done. So that's it, basically how it works. And the profit you can make with this, I explained in the this video. So that's about 30 to 40% annually. But now that they are doing the syndicate events every single week, then the current profit is about 50%, 50 to 60% annually. So this is still a profitable strategy if you want to do it. It's semi-passive. You simply have to add money in the syndicates and accept the syndicate allocation every single week. So that's basically the only thing you want to do. And just to maximize your gains, what you want to do also is, let me go to balances here. Between the syndicate events, you want to withdraw your money here to your Crypto.com app. So you simply withdraw all the money here to the Crypto.com app, and what you want to do with the CRO between syndicate events, you want to use the earn function on the app. Because when you use the earn function on the app, you can get either 14% annual return or 12% annual return, depending on if you have the Ruby Red card or the Jade Green card or the Midnight Blue card or higher. So if you have 10,000 CRO or more stake, then you can get 14% annual return on your CRO that is not staked on the exchange, even between the syndicate events. And basically you are getting money from 3 sources. You get money on this CRO that is staked on the exchange, then you get money on the syndicate events, and then you also get money from the flex earn between events. And also what you want to do just to maximize on your profits, you want to go to the soft staking part of the website, and you may want to activate this one, because when you have activated the soft staking interest, you can see that the CRO is listed here. Where is it? CRO here. CRO is listed here, so you can get up to 5% annual return on any CRO that you simply have on the exchange and you don't do anything with it. And you get this 5% even when you are participating in the syndicate events. So you get 5% annual return even on that money. So that's just like an additional tip. And from the earning history, you can see that I also get the soft staking rewards on my excess capital of CRO that I have on the exchange also. So every week you simply put some money on the exchange and participate in the syndicate. And then when the syndicate is over, you simply come to the syndicate details event again, and then accept the allocation, and then withdraw the money, put it on the flex on the application, and then when it's time to participate in the syndicate again, then you simply deposit the money back on the exchange and participate in the syndicates. And whenever you are transferring money from the app to the exchange, there are no transaction fees between that. So it works on that. So just the risk for this event is mostly on the price of CRO. So if the price of CRO would tank or something bad happens to the company, then of course this is a very bad strategy. And the other bad thing here is that whenever you stake CRO, you have to stake it for 180 days. So with the recent news, I actually would not want to have this much CRO in the exchange personally, but because I'm locked in for 180 days, I cannot withdraw the money from my stake. So my stake, I don't know exactly how much do I have. How much do I have left here? It said it's somewhere my active stake, but I don't remember where it was. Here, 104 days I can withdraw the money from the stake. So that's just another risk that you have to evaluate whenever you put money on this strategy. But this is basically the update on the Minmax strategy, and I just wanted to show you that it is still possible and it is still very, very profitable. So that's it basically for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.